Need to send multiple PDF documents quickly? Wise Owl makes it easy. Before getting started, make sure your files are saved as PDFs. If you're working with Word documents, simply convert them to PDF first, so they're ready to send. Once your files are ready, there are two easy ways to email multiple PDFs. First option, through the Matter page. Scroll down to the Documents tab, search for your files, and tick the ones you want to include. Then click Email Selected Documents at the bottom. A new email page will open, where you'll see all selected documents listed at the top. From there, just enter your recipient, subject, message, and hit Send. Second option, through Doc Registry. Search for your matter. Search for your files, and tick the ones you want to include. Then click the Bulk Actions drop-down and choose Email Documents. Again, the email page will open, just complete your message and send as usual. And that's it, multiple PDFs sent in just a few clicks. Explore more Wise Owl features, and stay tuned for more tips.